Hi everyone and welcome to Chaz's Lifestyle. Today I'm going to show you how I make this smoky jerk chicken. Stay tuned. For this recipe I will be using drumsticks as well as bone-in chicken thighs. I'm leaving the skin on and everything is clean and cut to my liking. Now I'm adding in some mild jerk seasoning. Next, I'm going to go in with my favorite, it's green seasoning. I have that recipe if you need to make that. Now I'm just adding in a couple seasonings. I use things like Sazon for color. I'm using stuff like garlic powder and onion powder just to boost the flavor. All of my ingredients will be listed down below in the description box. Now I'm going to use some Jamaican browning season. This is going to help the color that I want to get on my chicken. I will be using two different methods of cooking this. I usually like to grill or smoke my chicken, but for the sake of this video, I have a easier alternative and we're gonna bake it. So my oven is preheated for 375. And if you can marinate this overnight or for a couple hours. So before I placed my chicken on my pan, I sprayed some non-stick cooking spray. Also, I will be basting my chicken with the juices that drip off as it's cooking for about an hour, and then I'm going to check it and broil it to my liking on low. So here is my chicken once it was off the grill and out of the oven. So juicy. If you decide to recreate this recipe, be sure to tag me on Instagram at Chaz's Cuisines Story. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video.